Hi everyone. Good morning. Good morning. This is Coach Laudiann Silvis. How is everybody doing today? Today is October the 10th, 2020, and as you notice, I'm wearing red. I actually bought this from a nurse yesterday in my first day orientation. It's a nurse scrub hat and it's red. And so I says, "Ooh, let me get that hat so I can wear red." So that's why I'm wearing red today. It's my second day at my orientation day. And I'm so thankful and grateful for this job right now because I don't have to work as hard and I'm loving it. So, but this hat has like buttons on the side. As you can see, there's a button there and there's another button there. And what we do is we wear a mask. So we put the mask on around this button, the rubber band part. See, it's holding it, and then find the other one here, and there you go. So this is what I wear at work. All right. And then not only that, we wear this over it. And I have to wear this the whole day, just like this. Now, if we're on our break, we can take it off and we can eat. But this is to protect you. And uh, we used to never do that because of the COVID, but now we have to wear it. It is mandatory. But I wanted to talk to you guys about the update videos I just posted. I posted one on my weight loss. I posted one with my daughter's graduation 2010, and she was a valedictorian. She's such a sweet girl right now. Right now, she's a full-time mom. She's not working anymore. She was a general, for a long time, a general manager for this restaurant, and that kind of kept her away from her goals, finishing up her school. But I know eventually she's going to finish it. But she was valedictorian, and when she makes up her mind, she also accomplishes it. I think all my girls are like me. Every one of them they focus on a goal, they finish it, and I'm kind of like the same way. So uh, really blessed with my daughters. Let's see, my sons, they're doing fine. My oldest one working in a warehouse, and my second son, he has schizophrenia, and I have to take care of him. But he is happy because now he lives with me again. So I have my two older sons living with me. My youngest son lives with my daughter. She's an OR nurse. She's also a nurse practitioner. She just graduated last year, 2019, and she works um, at Long Beach Memorial as an OR nurse, working in the women department. So she helps assist the doctors with surgeries and stuff like that. And she's really loving her job. And she just recently got married. So I will be posting about her marriage. She got married last year. So she's thinking of having a baby. So not right now, but she does want one. And she's already got the names. So guys, pray for her because I want her to have a baby. I want to have more grandkids. Actually, my daughter Sheila's trying to get another one. She's trying to. She wants to have another child. So she's really happily married. She's married to a wonderful son-in-law, and he works in a metro train. He's got a really good job. So she don't really have to work anymore full time, but she still work on the side, help catering and taking orders for this restaurant. She's been a general manager there. She worked her way up from just a waitress up to a general manager, and they just can't seem to let her go. That's because she knows a lot. She does the menus, she does everything, and they actually pay her to do the catering and taking orders right now. But I have a grandson from her. His name is Elijah. She's a full-time mom. She teaches that little boy everything. And this little grandson of mine, he likes to put things together. Not only that, she's teaching him a lot of to be not more not. She teaches him and does activities with him. She paints with him. She buys clay, and she makes, they do things. They make things. She is so creative. Not only that, she bought him this big, huge kitchen. It's portable kitchen. It's got everything. It's got the microwave. It's got the blender. It's got pots and pans, and oh, you name it. He just has a ball with his kitchen. He starts cooking. He starts doing this. So she got him a vacuum cleaner. So she's actually giving him. That little boy's going to be everything. He's going to do everything for his wife one day. That's what I think, because she's teaching him women's stuff, but not only that, she's teaching him that his dad is really spending a lot of time too. So both of them are smart, and he also graduated at a university. He has a bachelor's degree too as well. So, but and my other daughter, she's a twin. I have another grandson. His name is Liam, and he's just really Oriental looking, because his dad is Vietnamese. So you can see the Oriental in him, but he's really smart too. Both of my grandsons are 3 years old, and that grandson, Liam, he is already potty trained. The other one is not yet. So all my kids were late in potty training, but my other grandson, Liam, he's very organized. I can already tell the way he is, what he's going to become, because when I went to babysit him one time and I had to change him, he goes, He goes, well, what are you doing? Make sure I grabbed a piece of wipe, a baby wipe, make sure I clean him really good. So he's very thorough. Like he wants you to do this, and you got to do it this way. So it's like, he's a very smart little grandson, but now he's really potty trained. So my daughter is blessed. He doesn't have to deal with that. She don't have to deal with that anymore. But today is just being myself today, guys. I just wanted to make a normal video, not about this business that I'm doing, but I am building a business, and I'm really excited about it. And I'm excited with this group. I'm excited that I am going to become a successful entrepreneur and a millionaire. I am. As it is, I say I am a millionaire because I act like a millionaire, and I believe already that I am. And that's why I'm so happy. And that's why I'm so grateful, because I see the big picture already down the road. Yeah. But I'm learning, guys. I'm learning how to do Google Ads right now. And then I just posted about my weight loss. I posted about my daughter's graduation. She was a valedictorian. And I posted one about being grateful, which I am grateful today. I'm grateful every day. I mean, this is how I am every day. I've been really happy and cheerful, and I thank God, and I give God praises to the Most High God. He is the greatest. I love my Jesus. And guys, I am getting ready to go to work, and I'm going to. Right now, I just put my board down. What did I do with it? I think it fell. Let me get it. I always tell myself positive affirmations when I get up. And this is my affirmation board. I have a video actually on my YouTube channel about my affirmation board. See, guys? All right, and sometimes every day I will just pick one. I'll be going dee 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 dee, that one. And this one says, I'm prepared to succeed. And whatever I pick, that's what I focus on. So I said, I'm prepared to succeed. And that sounds good, doesn't it? But I also posted a video about our subconscious mind. I never thought about naming it. And when I found this video and posted it about a few days ago, I said, you know what? I'm going to name my subconscious mind. And right away, I had the name Celeste. So my partner in life, my subconscious mind, I call her Celeste. So Celeste, I'm prepared to succeed, and you're going to make this happen for me. And that's what I've been doing, guys. It's a really, really, really good tip to help you focus and to really organize your subconscious mind. You have to tell your subconscious mind what you want, because it's just a baby, and you have to feed it. So you want it to manifest for you, start doing that. Let's pick another one. That I am making the right choices. So that one's a good one too. So let's do it again. This is fun. I am control of my emotions. Oh yes, I am controlling my emotions. And right now my emotions are cheerful. I'm excited, and for everybody in the team, um, I'm just full of energy all the time. So, and that's the way we need to be. We have to have a lot of full of energy, and that's what I'm going to do. I also want to share with you guys what why I'm so cheerful is because I'm actually taking vitamins. I'm going to show you some of my vitamins. It's actually right beside me. I take this. Can you see it? Ginkgo biloba. Good for the memory. Then I take my multiple vitamins. I don't know if you guys can see it. It is Centrum Silver. It's for women over 50. And guys, I'm 58. I will be 59 next month on the 6th of November. All right. And I'm ready to start stretching on the floor right now. So guys, be excited. Love you all. And I'm getting ready for work. As you can see, I look like I'm wide awake. Yes, I am. I'm going to go in the kitchen. I'm going to drink a tall glass of water, and take my organic vinegar. That's really good. It flushes the whole system. I'm going to juice a little, make a little cup of juice, greens, and to start my day. And I'm going to take my vitamins. And I will check my blood sugar level because the diabetes are trying to creep back in my life. And I said, no, I don't want that in my life. So I'm going to start taking care of myself. And that's got to be a part that plays an important role in my life in order to be successful online and help others. And I hope you guys benefit from what I said today. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.